like Mohamed Salah a lot from Liverpool, and I like his the way he carries himself, the way he conducts himself. He's also a great human being, and the way he plays, it's very much similar to in cricket. I find it very similar to MS Dhoni. It, you being so it's basically how you play and how you perform that should speak for you rather than how what you speak in media or how you behave rather than that how efficient you are on the field. That is what counts. IPL favorite team, well, I think I would go with CSK for that matter because of MS Dhoni. Yeah. Agastya, there, I can see you. You're not invisible. You are visible now. Okay. Please visit WB once. What's WB? I don't know what's WB. WB is Warner Brothers. I love Bengali food. I love many cuisines, and I miss that Bengali cuisine. Yes, definitely, I'll come back. And I have to catch up with a lot of people. I have to catch up with Pooja, Sahil, Shubvi, even Uday Baba for that matter, and Amna, of course. Erika, it's been ages since I have met her. Recently, I got in touch with her. We keep talking here and there. A couple of times I had conversations with her. But yeah, all good. Please take my name. Vaishnavi. There, I took your name. There, you asked for flying kisses, and here you go. And a wing too. My name is Pragnya. Yeah. Hi, Pragnya. Well, people are asking me about BTS. I haven't heard a lot about BTS, but yes, I know, and they're pretty famous. They are huge, in fact, and they have some great songs. I've heard a couple of them, and I like the songs, but I unfortunately don't know much about them. So yeah, I wouldn't comment anything on that. Okay, so what else? Say Pravinta. There, I took a name. Hi Tejas, hi. Sir, what do you like about Lucknow? Well, for that, I should be visiting Lucknow, and kebabs are pretty much famous over there. That's everyone heard of, everyone speaks about it. So, once I visit Lucknow, I will definitely try it out. My name is Chitranchi. Hi, Chitranchi. Your dance moves and reels. Thank you so much. Well, apparently, yes, that is the change that I don't know whether you guys have noticed or no, but I have been very active on social media, especially Instagram, and I've been making reels. I've been posting enough pictures or content. I don't know whether you guys are liking it or not, but yes, I have this. This is by far I have gone beyond my capabilities, my capacity, and I've explored myself so much because I don't know. I mean, for some reason, I thought that this time I should be like sharing with you a lot rather than my other visits, and I have kept myself very quiet and shy, and I am a reserved person. You guys must be knowing that all my life. But this trip, this vacation, I tried showing uh, something, my journey, in fact, through the pictures, through the reels, or something that could make you laugh, that could make you smile, that would make you just happy within, or motivate you, or inspire you. That's what I've tried my best. So I'm sure, I really hope that you guys have liked it. And if you've liked it, please share, comment, subscribe, not subscribe, follow. Yeah. So I'm just saying, okay, I hope you guys have liked it, and I've and if you guys have liked it, then I'll continue to explore myself and put out a lot of content out there. I'll try my best every day, something or the other. But yeah, this trip has been special for me, and I've shared a lot about it on my Instagram page. You guys must have seen it through reels, through videos, through stories, food stories, travel stories, and of course my pictures. So yeah, I've shared a lot, and I hope you guys have liked it. Also, that's what also matters. So yeah. Okay, so what else? My coffee's also over, and waiting for your reels. Let's see. Hopefully, some more. Say my name, Rachita. There you go, Rachita. I took a name. Hi, Tinky. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you. All the best, buddy, for your future. Thank you so much, Muskan. Vanakkam Parth. Thank you, Shakti. Rima is waiting for you. Okay, Rima, where are you waiting? Let me know. Address to dal do. I'm waiting for your reply. Janvi, hi. Hi. Please say my name. Harika. Hey, Harika. Hi. My crush. I mean, I don't know. It's been a long time since I've had a crush on anyone. But no, for now, I don't have any sort of crush. But yeah, I don't know. Please say my name. Sharvari. Hi, Sharvari. Ankita. Hey, Ankita. My name is Shrishti. Hi, Shrishti. Okay, Neha. Hi. Hi. Varnita Sharma. Hi. Manya, please. My name is Bhairavi. Okay, I guess it's time because I don't get any sort of interesting questions out here. It's just people asking for the names. Hi, Ria. Hi. Hi, Nandini. How are you? Bro, is my messages even going? Yes, Priya, your messages are going. Laraib, say my name. There you go. So, yes, that puts me to an end to this live chat. I had a great session with you guys, and I hope I could answer all your questions regarding my future projects, regarding Kaisi area, regarding my vacation. And yes, you guys will definitely see me back in India now. And it is me signing off from here, and I had a great conversation with you guys. I was able to answer some of your questions, and definitely I'll catch up with you and in India and for more live. So stay tuned, keep yourself updated over here, and also keep yourself updated on my content, whatever I post, whatever it is. And what is my favorite color? Yes, red, and then followed by black and white. सो कधी येणार आहे पुण्यात? मी लवकर येणार आहे आणि पुढच्या आठवड्यात शक्यता हो. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and thank you for coming here. And I'm sorry if I'm not able to take up your names, all your individual names, because there are thousands of names. It's not possible for one single person to take these names. I'm really sorry for that. There you go. But yeah, I was able to have a good conversation with you guys. And it's again the time over here. It's 2:15. Let me tell you guys, like last time, like my last live chat, it was 3 a.m. Right now it's 2:15 a.m. It's post midnight. I never told. I in fact completely forgot to tell you guys that it's post midnight over here. It's 2:15 a.m. It's time for me to sleep, and I'll definitely crash right now. It was great talking to you guys. I had a wonderful time talking to everyone out there. And yes, it's 2:15 a.m. and I need to sleep. I need to wake up. And then again, of course, soon I'll be traveling to India and to Mumbai. And then I'll be able to see you from the other side. And yeah, and then things should start off, work should start off, and India should again start, uh, should be functional as it was. Unfortunately, right now there are so many curfews going on, but yes, health is priority right now, and we should actually focus on getting back to normalcy. So yeah, so had a wonderful chat. I will sleep, Good night for me. Good morning to you. Have a great day ahead. And it's Thursday. Have a wonderful day. And I shall catch up with you guys very soon. It was great having you guys. And thank you for coming on live with me and chatting with me. And I'm signing off. And I'm hoping that I should see you on my next chat very soon. Take care. Inshallah. God bless you. And God bless all, in fact. And stay happy. Stay blessed. And please, it's all about spreading love and happiness. So please do that if you can, in any amount, in any way, to anyone. Please spread happiness every day. Spread love and spread positivity. That's what we need in this world. So yes, take care of yourself. Cheers. And I love you. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for all the love. And thank you for all the love and kisses and appreciation and blessings. God bless you all. Cheers. Good night.